Welcome to my new TV show, Boy vs. Nature. Here I will teach you how to survive in the wilderness, all by yourself, without anybody by your side, without any cars. You're gonna have to make your own weapons and your own shelters. I just hope I survive in here. So the first thing I'm looking for is food. Have a weapon here. Time to go hunting. Wow, you guys see how much meat is on that thing? Better go and get it. No, 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 no. Guys, help me. I'm getting attacked. Help, help, no. I got out of this safe with only minor bruises. I think I'm fine. There's no open wounds though, so I'm not bleeding any. That thing was very vicious. Now, we gotta find shelter. This will have to be enough shelter for tonight. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. This is a fine shelter. Night. Alright guys, I slept pretty good. Next morning, my stomach is empty. I need to find something to eat. And also, I need to heal all these wounds. I'm bleeding. Period. Don't need to say any fancy words, God. Well, I gotta heal myself and find food. I don't know which one to do first. So, I'm gonna be looking for stuff to heal. But I'm gonna have my weapon to go hunting. See you guys when I find something. Okay guys, I'm looking for something to eat. I'm very hungry. And I'm also tired. Only 2 hours of sleep. Didn't do much. Cause the later you go to sleep, the earlier you wake up. Read that online. Clearly a fact. Cause everything on the internet's true. Especially everything in this video. Cause it's on the internet. So everything I say you should believe. Unicorns exist. Know how you figured that out? Because you saw this video. And this video is on the internet. Well, what I was trying to say was, believe everything you see on the internet, because it's all true. Everything on the internet's true. Especially that unicorns exist. And they all poop rainbows. There's my food. I better go and get him. I'm gonna get you now. One way or another. You're going to die. Here's a tricky one. I got him down though. Now to 8. There's some very fine meat. Now I think I'm full. Enough energy for at least 2 days. I think I'm fine out here. Now that my tummy's full and I have more energy and sleep, now to find some civilization and get my way out of here. I found my weapon. Not in contact, but It will help me go through tonight. I just hope I find some civilization before I die out here. I'm gonna die out here alone. I'm not even full, I'm still starving. I can't even find anything to eat. That was fake meat. I'm all by myself. And I'm gonna die out here. Please send help. I don't think I'm gonna make it at all. I'm gonna die out here, hungry and alone. I just want a good hamburger right now. If only there was this guy named Food Eater Zane. He carries food around with him all the time. If that Zane guy came with me, we would have food for days. Now I wouldn't be sitting here crying right now. We'll be fine. I don't have any food. Well, I guess I should just hang myself. I'm not gonna hang myself. I'm just gonna die though. Just sit here by my tree. Pretty good tree. Sit here by my tree and die. Eating beef jerky. That wasn't real food. I told you I didn't even have any food. That wasn't even real food. That was bark. And that animal I took down, I didn't. It tore up my leg and everything. After I had it pinned on the ground, its mama came. And we booked it out of there. Me and my crew were gone. I thought I was gonna die there, but now I'm gonna die here. Right by this tree. Alone. Thanks for watching this episode of Boy versus Nature. Goodbye, everybody, and wish me luck.